Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both ends ready. YouTube Live Control Room open and OBS running. First, pop out the live chat in YouTube so you can copy its URL. This gives you the chat source. Then, in OBS, create a new browser source, name it YouTube Chat, and paste that URL. Make sure width, height, and CSS settings match your layout so chat is readable. Once done, position the chat layer where you want it, in the scene for viewers or streamer visibility. Now tune the browser source so chat behaves. You adjust width and height to match your canvas, for example 1280 x 720 or 1920 x 1080, and use CSS to hide elements like timestamps if they clutter the view. Make sure to set the refresh and cache settings so chat updates reliably. You can also enable interaction if you need clickable links, but usually you disable it to avoid accidental clicks. Finally, lock the transform and layer order so your chat stays put during. Finish by testing live. Send messages from another account and watch them appear in OBS. You check delay and ensure chat syncs with the stream. Small latency is normal. If chat doesn't load, verify the pop-out URL, disable ad blockers or privacy extensions, and confirm your firewall or router isn't blocking WebSockets. Once it works, save the scene collection and consider a second monitor or docked window for moderation. If problems persist, restart OBS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.